YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, carrying on with the final bits to get this thing ready for racing, we have the Schumacher Contact pre-glued A30 spec carpet tyres. So we're going to pop these on instead of the stock ones, and then also I'm swapping out the stock wheel nuts. And we've got some Core RC ones, CR035. So these are quite nice. Blue anodised to match everything else that we've got blue anodised on this RC. And these again from RD Models over at Chesterfield. Both the wheels and tyres and the wheel nuts. So I will drop a link to RD Models as usual in the video description. And if you're swapping these, make sure your X drives don't stick in your other wheels as you take them off. And you just need to make sure you get these on in the right position. I'm not sure if the offset on these is exactly the same as the stock ones. So we have some nice bling racing wheels and wheel nuts, and then I've also got a bunch of these purple anodised body clips to replace the stock black ones. And I think they'll look a little bit nicer with the body style that we've got, and certainly with the body paint, with it being flip paint. So there we have it, one TT-02 ready for racing. I've taken off the heatsink cover for the motor. One of the guys on the YouTube channel commented that they tend to run them without them, and I don't think there's any structural reason to have it there. Not sure if we're allowed to run heat sinks running it as a stock class car, so if we are, then I might put one of them on. But there we have it, ready for racing. Should be going over racing tonight, so hopefully I'll be able to do an update vid and tell you how it drives, if there's anything we need to change on it or anything that I wish I'd done different. But thanks for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.